What's up, man? All right, we're at the top of Rocky Knob, trying to do this trail, Black Forest. Rode this trail once in the summer and walked a lot more of it than I wanted to, so we are gonna give it a redemption run. Might walk and scope out some stuff and give it another shot, but hoping to walk less of it this time. All right, I got 1 foot clipped. All right, can we get clipped? There we go. All right. Big start. Any bigger than tough Boone. It just hooks the flat. Like I said, we ain't going for the fastest time down this trail. We just trying to do the damn trail. Hello. Came unclipped there. That was a little scary. This really isn't that bad. And then if we kind of stick to the outside there, it looks like that's the main line, and just go outside. So all the way outside around here, drop there, and stay to the outside. So we're taking the outside all the way around. That's the cheater line. I don't know if you can tell from here, but that drop up there is pretty gnarly. So I think between trying to squeeze down that crack there, which fuck that, and this drop, I really think the drop's the easier line. We just got to get a good run up at it. Looks like if we split those two, we'll be Gucci. Water. And we'll split this here. No problem. So it looks like we got a couple options here. I mean, honestly, not digging this one. barely. Holy cow. That's a rock roll right there. I'm honestly more scared of the run up here than I am the roll. Give another look at this little thing. No problem. Come down here. Hit that little drop gap thingy-ma-do. Oh yeah, here's the part that made me nervous last time. This is the giant rock roll here, which I don't think so. But we can see the other one there. Which I think if you come around there and then stay to the right side. Oh, and then there's the alternate line over there, I guess. Okay. And we can take the outside there too. Okay. Yeah. Alright. We just stay to that left side there. It'll be all good. Inside, outside, back to the right side. All right, so that was that felt really good. Didn't get that better. That was Black Forest, and now we're at Stone Soup, the black technical rock thing. Okay, thank you for the head.
He's mine, but it's gonna be on.
Okay, thank you for the heads up. I won't be going very fast, I promise. I know, I just have to eyeball everything out here.
I'll let you go. Are you going over it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, can I squeeze by you, buddy? Thank you, man. Oh, no problem. Whew. Oh, me neither. Sorry, guys.
No, you're fine. It's a little scary.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's scary.
You come over the hill and there's just more all of a sudden. No, y'all go ahead. I gotta give that another go. These trails are awesome.
So fun, huh?
Oh, yeah.
A little crazy if you ask me.
Trail work is just awesome.
Yeah, the You going back up top?
Yeah, you want to follow my line?
I leave you.
I came down in the summer and walked like everything here, so this is my redemption trip, you know? Sorry, everybody. Have a good ride, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so stoked. Freaking redemption run, baby.